Have you ever recorded a video and then edited it? In my case, I used DaVinci Resolve, and then I placed it back on my phone and I tried to upload it via the YouTube app so that I could upload it as a short and use the music from there. And then when I tried to select my video, it said unable to preview video. Let me show you how we deal with that. All right, we'll start up the YouTube app and we'll click the plus button. And in the top right corner, I'm going to click on the 15 seconds to make it 60 seconds. Then I'm going to click add sound. Let me come in here and pick my song. Then in the lower left corner, I'm going to click add. Then I'm going to click on my video and you're going to see it unable to preview video. That's a problem. To fix this, we're going to do a slight edit in Google Photos. So we'll pick our video. Then we'll click the edit button. And then we'll do a slight adjustment. So we'll do it to the brightness. I'll brighten it up by 1. So let's go ahead and save a copy of that. Takes a little bit to process. Once that's done, go back to the YouTube app, pressing that plus again. Go through the same steps, the 60 seconds, add our music. Now click that add button. We'll click that new video that we just made. And there we go. We've got it. We're going to be able to do our processing on this video. Click done. Look at that. Click that check mark in the lower right corner. And here we go. We can adjust our audio, get that just right, and then we can eventually upload this video. We can just finish up the details here and click upload short in the bottom right. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and if you appreciate it, please subscribe to the channel and we'll catch you in the next one. All right, see ya. Hope that was good.